And yeah, I decided not to do the Yorktown, just do the Gloucester. There's a Coleman Bridge. So now we're on the other side. As you can see right there, some strong current. Yay. This is the York River, that's the Coleman Bridge. The middle pylons right there gets really deep, I think in the 60s or something. But on the edges over here, it's between 5 and 13, doesn't get too deep. Current gets really strong through here though. Let's go get Andrew. He's launching over here at the Gloucester boat ramp. Oh, I spy with my little eye at Andrew and his Vibe C130 Ghost. What up, dog? Oh, show off.
I think they're racing.
Yeah, what? Oh, Andrew, looking kind of cool in the light. We're here at the Coleman Bridge. And we're trying to fish for some big fish.
Really brown.
Hey, well, all I keep catching is white and black. It's about time I catch something brown.
I bet it has bad credit.
Amelia. And the winner is Croaker.
My buddy said they're good.
My other buddy said there's a lot of bones in them.
Yeah, he said
And
there's
then the other one said that the Koreans like them.
I heard there's bones in them, but I heard it's good meat.
I think all fish have bones though.
Yeah.
Man, look at that color. It's like a yellow color. These inbred ones? Yeah, I think so. Y'all better let me go before my cousin come up here and whoop your butt. Alright, it's a weird color. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a yellow. See the yellow? It's weird. Oh my god. I was trying to videotape it and never mind. It's gone. Time to go home. Alright, Andrew, what you gotta say for yourself?
The schoolies ain't in Gloucester. That's what I gotta say. There's Croaker.
Touche. Alright, I have to make this video. Gotta turn myself in. I am a croaker slayer. That's right, people. You heard it from me, my very own mouth. Nauti Fish came out today and slayed croaker like it was freaking fiesta. I partied and ripped them lips all day. Did I want to? No. Did I feel guilty? Yes. Did I release every single victim? I sure did. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Ricky, you cursed me, bro. There it is. First one this year. I'm not gonna take it off. Don't bite me, booger.